Ooh, burns. Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. I don't even know why I came out here yet. First of all, my background is a disaster. Guys, I'm back on the vlog. We are doing like a get ready with me real quick. I have been gone this week. Like I haven't picked up my camera. I think it's the first time I picked up my camera since last week. I didn't even really do TikToks this week. Only a couple because supposedly it's getting banned tomorrow. So it's my highest performing platform where I communicate with everybody the most. I told everybody where they could find me, where they could go. I don't know how you feel about it. I guess let me know in the comments down below how you feel about the TikTok ban. Like, are you guys sad about it? But I'm gonna get ready to start doing my makeup. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are okay. Hope you're not freaking out about this TikTok ban. I mean, it stinks, but I kind of feel like I don't really know what we can do. So I'm just like, I don't know, feel like indifferent about it. Like I said, that is my highest performing platform outside of YouTube. YouTube is my second highest, but it's only 1,400. It's 1,400, y'all. So we did reach 1,400. I'm actually editing a video right now for YouTube, so that should be up soon. I don't know what look I'm going for. Actually, you know what? I need to put lashes on first. I feel like I might use Yukumi lashes. I haven't worn these in a while, and I wore the 10s and they look nice, but they will look natural, but I feel like I want a little bit more of a dramatic look for tonight. You know what I want to do? Do they have half lashes at Sephora? Let me see. Or Ulta? I could run to Ulta. It's raining and I don't want to get my hair wet. We might take a trip to Ulta real quick. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair because I don't want it to get messed up. Right now, this side looks great. This side just won't, like, I don't know, just won't curl the way I want it to curl. I've tried multiple times to curl this now and it's like just not holding the curl the right way. But they do have half lashes at Sephora. I mean at Ulta. So I could run to Ulta really quick. Debating. Should I just go with what I have? Should I go with what I want? I'll be right back. Well, maybe I won't because I gotta figure out what I'm doing right now. I have no idea. I feel like my brain's all over the place. So I will see you guys later when I'm like really starting to get ready. So I just finished doing my lashes. I haven't seen me in lashes in like literally probably like 3 weeks or so. And I have this bump. Y'all see that? What is that? Why is this here? Like, oh God. And these baby shark teeth. I can't wait to get that done. And my teeth, my gums have actually gone down to look better, but my baby shark tooth. Whatever. I'm gonna ignore that. Okay, so we did that already. We did our hair for the most part. I'm just doing like little pieces, which I'll probably keep on curling until it's time for us to go, just because I feel like it's like slowly poofing up. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm just trying to let it do what it needs to do. I'm actually ready for another hairstyle. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just ready for something else. And I don't know what. I'm torn between clip-ins, so I can like put clip-ins in and then I can wash my hair easier. I could take the clip-ins out, I could wash them, dry them or whatever, and flip over sewing. I don't know which one I want, y'all. I'm like literally stuck. So since we are going out tonight, I'm gonna use the Studio Fix fluid because this is my go-to. I don't really have anything else that I use. My like stick for my under eyes is in my car and I'm not going to my car again because no. Tonight I'm finally wearing that dress that I got from Fashion Nova, which was like a while ago. I can't believe I haven't picked up this camera all week. I was literally filming like every single day. Even if it was like a little thing, I was filming every single day. So for me to not film for a week is kind of crazy. And I didn't go to Pilates today. I just kind of rested. I made it so I could go to Pilates. So I'm thinking maybe one day this week I have to make up for not going today because I should have gone today. But I really just didn't want to. I really just wanted to relax because I feel like I've been running nonstop and this is the first Saturday where we can actually relax and I haven't done that. So I was like, let me sit myself down. Like, I think I just do too much and this week I've been really like just tired. So I feel like I needed a break and I did that. I took a break and that's okay. I will not be hard on myself because I missed Pilates one time. I will just make it up another time. You know what I mean? That's what I'm doing this year. Sorry y'all if it's looking at the tree behind me, which I need to take down. Gonna stay up for now. I will say that these lashes are making me feel so pretty. Even though I felt pretty without lashes, like I've been like just looking at my natural face like, oh, I look nice. But these lashes are making me feel so pretty, y'all. This bump, not so much. Not so much. And we are gonna do a bright under eye. We're gonna contour. We're gonna do all the things because we are going out today and we wanna look our best. I have to do a campaign and I still haven't done it. I did both of the campaigns. They required one video, 2 videos for one of them. And I think that's what's throwing me off because I'm like, I did the one and now the other one it could be so simple, but in my mind, I think I'm making it harder than it needs to be. So I haven't done it yet just out of pure me making it harder than it needs to be. But I got to get it together because it's definitely due. And then I did another campaign and I finished it and I've uploaded it and everything. And guess what? It won't accept it because it is telling me that I needed to write something that I wrote. So that's kind of annoying. But I did have 2 campaigns with 2 different brands, and I have another one. Is it a campaign? If it's gifted, like a collab. Let's say a collab, not a campaign. But yeah, 2 different ones, like, whoa. And I got another one that's already here that I have to do too. But that just came, so I feel like I got a little bit of time for that. But yeah, I've been getting PR. So the last couple of weeks, and I had another company actually just reach out to that wants to work with me. But they're still asking to work with me on TikTok. That's my highest performing platform. And the only thing is, I'm gonna start pushing my YouTube shorts out. That's what I gotta start doing, like literally. What the heck? Is that a bump too? Or is that just what are these things called on the side of your face? I don't even know. I don't even know what these are called. But I have them. I think I put a lot of blush over here, actually. Maybe too much. We put a lot of blush over. It's okay. Let me get my beauty blender because I'm gonna have to blend this really, really good. And I tell y'all, I feel so good. I'm on sweatpants. Even though we're going out tonight, I just feel so good right now. Sweatpants are top tier. Look at this too. There's so much space here. Yes, I'm snatching myself. I haven't seen myself with makeup on. Well, no, I saw myself with makeup on yesterday. But I mean like real makeup. I haven't done real makeup in a minute. It just looks so good. I don't know how you guys feel about wearing makeup, but when I get myself together all the way and have on a full face, I feel so pretty. We don't have to leave till 6:30. Time check. It's 3:49. And I'm going to finish early. That way, it's just done. I'm going to take some leftover and put it on my chin. So, right, and now I'm going to go in with my contour. See, I didn't need to get half lashes, but that means I can't really wear my liner like I want to wear it. Ooh, the snatch on that. Okay. And I think I'm gonna use a little bit of pink blush too. Just a little bit, like, because the orange is so bright and high. I need the pink right here. We're going to Harlem, y'all. I haven't been to Harlem in a long time. So we're going there tonight. I feel so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It feels so pretty, honestly. Maybe it's the blush. I don't know. But like, it's all coming together. I didn't even do everything yet. But in my mind, I feel so pretty. Is it bad I want to cut off the edges of my brows? I won't right now just because it's too drastic to be doing right before I'm about to go out. But I kind of want to cut these off a little bit. I don't know. I might going to though. But I'm just thinking about it. So my brows could be straight out. So that's what my brows are looking like right now. I did my blush, which is like snatching my eyes. And I still got to put on powder, which I forgot. So let's do that. So that looks pretty good. I love the way my face looks right now. I haven't worn makeup like this in so long. I'm debating on whether or not I need to put on Charlotte Tilbury for my eye. This on my nose. I don't know if I was doing this before or not, but just putting a little bit on. Yeah, that's good. A little bit of contour on my nose. So what happens now is I just take a few random pieces and try to redefine the curls so it looks like this one. So I will just do that throughout my head. Using this brush and this and this. Ooh, burns. I'm not gonna put a lip on until later because it's still early and it's gonna come off. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm gonna leave until 6:30, but my whole face is done. You see? I think that's it. I feel like I look very pretty. Let me go talk to TikTok real quick and see what they think. Wait, what if you think you look pretty and you look ugly? I hate when I feel like that. All right, let me go. I've been talking to her for forever. Bye. I just did my lip and realized I didn't even show y'all. So my bad. I just finished and I just curled this piece of hair, which I'm about to spray the heck out of because it just doesn't want me to be great. This one piece because it's shorter than everything else. But this is the final look. My lip combo is, the Juvia's Place Cacao, Creme de Cacao. Then it is the Honey Love by MAC. I love this stuff. Then I have Sephora's Outrageous. This is number 2. Looks like that. And for my liner, I have 3.5 for my liner. So this is a blue and black dress. I can put it on the screen too. And it is literally like to the floor pretty much. Oh my god, my face looks so good, guys. So I'm torn between Herba Pura. Y'all just ignore the disaster behind me, but I'm torn between Initio Musk Therapy and Herba Pura and a Tom Ford scent. But I'm feeling like maybe I'll do Herba Pura because yeah. Ugh, it just smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So I think I'm gonna do this one. All right, y'all. I'm going upstairs to do my little outfit of the day. I think I'm gonna wear Herba Pura and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, so we are back. I just did a quick shop. Let me just show you what I got. Actually, let me bring you closer. Hold on. I gotta pack my lunch for the week. I've been looking like this all day, so it's fine. I got parsley. I had a recipe and it said onion, but I don't want to use this onion. It's way too big, so I think I'm gonna hold off on that. Seaweed snacks. I'm gonna make marry me chicken, and I'm gonna make like the chickpea tuna. I got this Italian cheese, which is supposed to be like Parmesan. I got 3 cans of chickpeas because this is pretty much all I'm eating right now. I got carrots and celery because tonight I'm gonna make cauliflower bites, I think. Well, and then I got sun-dried tomatoes. Cauliflower, I'm gonna cut that up. Ginger dressing, I love this dressing. Literally love it. Buffalo sauce, oh well, this is looking crazy at the bottom, but I got this Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce. And I got this mayonnaise from Primal Kitchen as well, which is made with avocado oil. I got some Kalamata olive, I love olive. Edamame. I don't know if this is gonna go in my lunch. I'm feeling like it's gonna go in my lunch because I have those containers. And vegetable broth. So I think the first thing I'm gonna make is probably the cauliflower buffalo bites, and then I'm gonna make the marry me chickpeas, and then I'll make my lunch stuff. So I'm trying to like separate what I'm gonna do first. I think the cauliflower bites take the, oh sorry, I'm so close. They take the longest amount of time. So that's why I'm gonna do that first, because I think I have to make the batter and stuff, and it's more, the chickpea other stuff, like the other stuff is quick to make, I feel like. So we're gonna just not really worry about that. Yesterday I made tomato soup from scratch. I haven't really been on YouTube just because I've been all over kind of thing. But I wanted to come back on. So we're officially back. I'm watching Chelsea as well right now. I'm posting a YouTube video. I keep getting mixed reviews on which one I should post, which thumbnail. So I gave YouTube and TikTok the choice of A or B. And people are picking A. But then YouTube told me to pick B. So I don't know. So I picked B, but then I'm like, people are telling me, actual live people, not an AI person, then maybe I should switch it. I might switch it. Yeah, I forgot to get dill, but I got pickles and I got capers. It should be okay. All right, so my brain is all over the place. Let me figure out how to make these cauliflower buffalo bites real quick. Cooking in the kitchen. Right now I'm on TikTok too. I don't know if I'm gonna post anything there because I look insane with this on. This is like the real raw version of me. What am I looking for? Oh, I saved it. Okay, so I'm just going to start. I have a little TikTok recipe. I actually have 2 of them.
If you're new here, I'm all about a quick moment.
Who's the girl? Gigi is the girl that I found. And before, I can link her thing down below.
Do bite-sized pieces. We'll make a bite-sized.
So let's do that first. So I'm gonna cut the cauliflower up. I guess you guys are gonna watch me cook, and we're gonna go from there. Let's go. The reason I love Pilates is because it reminds me to slow down and move with purpose. Every stretch, every breath, it's all connected. When I feel good, I show up as the best version of myself for everything else in life. Being intentional is about the little things, taking care of myself from the inside out. It's not just a goal, it's a lifestyle. And then there's a moment to pause and take in God's creation. Being intentional isn't just about doing, it's about being present and grateful. Be intentional with your time, your mind, your body, and your spirit, and everything else will fall into place.